1 plus 3 equals?
4!
Yay!
Show me a picture.
I'm videoing you.
Do it.
Oh, Olivia, you got it. See? Okay, now go do another one for me. Can you show me? Now what are we going to do?
I'm going to do 1 plus 4.
1 plus 4?
Yeah.
So 1 plus 4 equals? Do we have it in there?
I think we do.
Yep, it's in there. It's just upside down. It's over here, babe. 1 plus 4 equals what? 5? Yeah, high five. Good job.
I think something's missing. Okay.
A Q? Do we use Q in math?
Yeah.
We do? Okay. Q1.
This is it.
Things are getting really strange in math lesson today. WMQ1 plus 4 equals 5? I don't know about all that. Better. Oh. Are you done?
Yeah.
Here we go.